Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do a 30-minute upper body advanced TRX workout. For our one arm row, we're going to start out keeping our chest straight forward, extending our arms. You should feel a little bit of tension in the core because your body wants to turn sideways. So resist that, keep your core and your chest straight forward, and you're going to row up and back down, making sure you keep this shoulder forward. From there, we're going to go right into a row hold. So step forward, hold your row right here, keep those elbows back, shoulder blades pinched. So for the tricep extension, we want to make sure our arms are out, keeping our elbows forward, bending at just the elbow, bringing the hands behind the head, and extending. Now for the second group of exercises, we're going to have the Gator, the bow and arrow press, and the fallout. So starting out with our Gator, you're going to lean back, arms fully extended, one hand on top of the other, and then now trying to keep your arms straight, you're pulling your body up, keeping your hips forward, coming back down, and alternating. The bow and arrow press is going to be like a TRX chest fly and a chest press mixed together. So one arm is going to be doing a press and one's going to be doing a fly. You're going to lower down, one arm straight out, one arm in a press, and make sure you're flying, squeezing with this pec at the same time you're pressing with that opposite arm, and then switch. From here, we're going to go right out into the fallout. Arms forward, arms straight, slight bend in the knees. Now you're going to reach out kind of like Superman. Feel it in your core. Our third group of exercises is going to be the TRX pullover, the row push down, and the one arm high pull. So starting out with the pullover, you're going to keep your palms facing down, arms straight, and then you're going to pull those arms right down to your lap. pull right in as we would for a row. Once we get our hands closer to our body, we're pushing right down the body. So you should feel that in your tricep. And now for a one-arm high pull, you're gonna hold both handles in one hand, leaning back, keeping your opposite shoulder forward, and then pulling right up to your cheek. Now there's a quick tutorial of our 30-minute upper body advanced TRX workout. And if you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. 30-minute upper body advanced TRX workout. Throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.